How to fix Hik-Connect app not working. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, tap open your phone settings. From here, scroll down until you see the option of apps. Click on all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Hik-Connect. Tap on the force stop button, head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After which you can head back from here. While you are in your phone settings, navigate to System Update and click on it. Check if there is any available update for your phone system. If there is any, leave your phone system for an update. This is important as if your system is not up to date, it will not support some of the application in your device. After that, if the issue still persists, open up your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Hik-Connect. Tap on the app. If you find any of the update button, tap on update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Also note that while your application is ongoing an update, your app will simply not work or will not launch. In that case, have a little patience, then try again after a couple of minutes. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.